In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send Xbox controller for repair. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are two main ways to receive an Xbox controller replacement or sending it for repair. So to get this done, you will have to visit the official Xbox website. So go to xbox.com, and when you arrive at this page, you will be able to find both of these services that I mentioned by going over to support and then support home. In here, you will find a bunch of help articles, and what you have to do is look for controller replacement. So look for controller replacement using the search function, and one of the topics here is going to be how do I request a controller replacement. You can also look for this on Google if it doesn't appear on the list. If your controller isn't working and needs replacing, go to the Learn More link and enter the controller's serial number at the bottom of that page. So click the Learn More option and you will get detailed instructions on what to do. Controller serial numbers are 14 characters long and don't include dashes. Your controller serial number may not be recognized if you've never connected your controller or if you've connected it for the first time within the last 2 days. And if you have the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2, the 14-character serial number is in the lower center on the back of the controller. So to keep it simple, scroll down on this page and enter the serial number that you see at the back of your controller here. After you enter the serial number, they are going to check if they can cover your controller, so if warranty is available, and you can follow the on-screen instructions to get it replaced. Sadly, for a video of this nature, I cannot show you this on screen. I don't have an Xbox controller available, but just follow the prompts here. If this page does not solve your issue, then what you can do is look for the word warranty instead. By looking for warranty, you can go over to this article, How Do I Request a Repair for My Console? Click on Learn More, and in here you will find plenty of options about the entirety of this process. First, you will have to sign into your Microsoft account, and this will take you to the Devices page. In here, you choose the option to register a new device, and once you register your Xbox console to this page, you will be able to ask for a replacement on the controller. So this is kind of the same thing as the original page that I showcased before, but it is much more advanced. So try out both of these services and see whichever one offers you the replacement. I hope I was able to help you on how to send Xbox controller for repair. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.